In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Hubble Pal Essentials with the app. It is possible for you to view the baby unit and control the settings using an app. The app is available on both the App Store and Google Play. For the purpose of this video, we will be using an Android phone and downloading the app from Google Play. From the App Store or Google Play, install the HubbleClub app. Once installed, open the app and accept the permissions that are necessary for the app to work. Next, follow the on-screen instructions and enter your details. You will need to verify your email address to finish setting up your account. Additionally, you will need to verify your mobile number. Then, go through the introduction slides or select Skip to continue. Next, select Add your Hubble device and choose Baby Monitoring. Scroll down and select Pal Essential. Confirm the access permissions to continue. Then, select Continue to set up. Enter your Wi-Fi password and select Next. Next, hold down the power button on the parent unit to turn it off. Once you have done this, select Continue. Ensure that the baby unit is powered on and press Next on the app to continue. Then, press and hold the pairing button on the baby unit until you hear Ready for Pairing. Once you have heard this, select Continue on the app. Next, select Generate a QR code. Hold the QR code in front of the camera between 15 cm and 30 cm away until you hear Scanning successful. The app will then take a moment to set up the device. Finally, name the device and select Finish. The app will then run through some introduction slides, giving you more information about the app. Select the camera to begin viewing. Your Hubble Pal Essentials is now ready to use with the app.